giving wasn't there.
Ma'am, sorry, I was answering the protein one. I don't know.
Okay, so let's move to the next question. So carbohydrate is an energy giving food, protein is a body building food, and fat is again an energy giving food. So I'm giving you more questions. There are two options, you have to choose for which, and just keep the answer with yourself or you put it on the chat box. I will give you marks. For which of the following would you eat
Ma'am,
rice?
after everyone tries that, then Manan can say the answer.
Yes, yes. Put it on the chat box, then I will
Ma'am,
give
I send
you
you the
chance,
answer.
Manan. Samar, that is correct answer.
Ma'am, what you have written?
So Samarth, I am giving you the next question to solve.
Yes, ma'am.
Please put the answer on the chat box.
Ma'am, should I tell?
No, put it on the chat box. I will check
Okay,
and
ma'am.
revert. So Manan and Tanmay, I did not receive your answer.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
So I receive your answer, Samarth. That is also correct. Very good. So Manan, it is correct. Manan, it is correct. First part of your
Okay, ma'am, I'm sending second.
move to next question. Okay, so I'm giving you 2 more minutes. Then we will discuss the answers. Tanmay. Tanmay, that is correct. No, 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 that is incorrect. Tanmay, first answer is incorrect. For which of the purpose would you eat rice? Rice provides us energy. Rice is a carbohydrate. It is energy giving food. So if you are being asked to give 3 examples of carbohydrate, then you can write rice, bread, and wheat. Okay.
Ma'am, all of the answers were correct.
What you are saying, Samar?
Excuse me, ma'am, were all my answers correct?
Yeah, yeah. Your all answers are correct. Good.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes, Manan.
answers are correct.
No, Manan. Your first answer is correct. Second answer, bread portion is correct.
Ma'am, spaghetti is not a energy. Oh, spaghetti is not a.
Spaghetti you can put it, but try to put rice, wheat.
Ma'am, can you show the fifth question again, please? One. Previous. Okay. Okay, ma'am, done.
Okay, so can we move to the next question?
Yes.
Guess me. You have to guess the name of mineral. The mineral which keeps both bones and teeth healthy. You just have
Ma'am,
to
may I
put
tell?
the answer on the chat box. Put the answer on the chat box.
Ma'am, did it.
Ma'am, send.
I got the answer of Samarth right now.
Ma'am, you don't got my.
Not of your.
Ma'am, recheck it.
Okay, I just got one more. Just a minute. Yes. So Manan and Samarth answer is correct. I am waiting for Tanmay to write.
Ma'am, I'm writing the question and answers in the copy
Yeah.
also. I'm just writing.
So I have wrote the second part of Guess Me.
Ma'am, have you got it?
Tanmay, I got it, but you need to give me the name of the mineral.
Ma'am, is my answer correct? Second one.
Tanmay, you need not to give me the food name. I want to know the mineral, name of mineral, which keeps both bone and teeth healthy. Tanmay, that is incorrect. And Samar.
Ma'am, it is protein.
No, Tanmay, that is incorrect. Samar, second one is incorrect.
Okay, ma'am.
Mineral I am talking about. I am not talking about Samarth nutrient. I am talking about the mineral. So the answer of first one, Manan, you tell me what is the answer for first.
Calcium.
You are correct.
Ma'am,
So
second one I sent you. Check, please.
first one should be calcium. The
Ma'am,
mineral,
Ma'am, second I sent you in the chat.
the mineral which keeps both bones and teeth healthy. So that is calcium. And second one, I got it from Manan. So Manan, you are correct. Just wait for everyone to complete.
Okay, ma'am.
That is your correct answer. Rahul get tired very easily. he lacks a mineral in his diet. What is that mineral?
Ma'am, please give the third part.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
No, both of you are wrong, Tanmay and Samar. Okay, Manan, you tell me what is the answer for second one?
Ma'am, iron.
Iron. Whenever a person is suffering from iron deficiency, or iron is a mineral. So whenever a person is suffering from iron deficiency, so please don't write vitamin.
Iron wasn't an
Vitamin
mineral.
and mineral are entirely different, Samar.
Ma'am, I thought that iron wasn't a mineral. But
No,
I
no.
know that hemoglobin is carried by iron.
No. So iron is a mineral. Like if a person is getting tired very easily, then he might have deficiency of iron. So please write both of this answer. Then we will be ending our today's class. Tomorrow 2 to 3 p.m. we will be learning maths.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Have a nice
Bye,
time,
ma'am.
all of you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
And
you,
bye, ma'am.
Manan. Thank you.